Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your name and profile picture on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Under You and Google section, click on Chrome name and picture. Enter the new name in the field. To change the profile picture, select one of the picture available in the list. After making the selection, Google Chrome will automatically save the changes. This is how you can change your name and profile picture on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.